All right, boys, this Friday, we're pulling up to one of my favorite comfort food spots in the entire Merrimack Valley. We're at What the Fork Catering at 265 Boston Road. If you're not familiar with this place, they're a nice little family-owned and operated spot. Yeah, and I honestly can't even explain the flavor. This stuff is just unbelievable. So the last time I came to this spot, I got a couple things, and another one of those things was a triple smash burger, but I got bacon added to mine. That's usually what I do when I come here, and I'm telling you, these burgers never disappoint.